Imagine a world where a digital currency can suddenly split into two. Sounds crazy? Welcome to the world of blockchain forks. A blockchain fork occurs when there's a divergence in the blockchain, essentially a split in the digital ledger. This can happen for a variety of reasons, but it often boils down to disagreements within a community or network about how the blockchain should operate. Blockchain technology is built on a consensus model. When everyone agrees on the rules, everything runs smoothly. But what happens when some users want to implement changes, while others want to stick with the original? That's when forks come into play. They can be categorized mainly into two types: soft forks and hard forks. A soft fork is a backward-compatible change. Think of it as a software update that doesn't require everyone to upgrade. A hard fork, on the other hand, is a bigger deal. It's like splitting the road into two different paths, and once it happens, the two chains can't communicate with each other. Let's take Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency, as an example. In 2017, a major disagreement arose within the Bitcoin community regarding scalability. Some believed that Bitcoin should increase its block size to handle more transactions. Others disagreed, advocating for different solutions. This led to a hard fork, resulting in Bitcoin Cash, essentially a new cryptocurrency born from the original Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash increased the block size, aiming to facilitate faster transactions. As a result, users had to choose which version of the currency they wanted to support. This created two distinct communities and two separate assets. So, why do these forks happen? Primarily, it boils down to differing opinions on governance and technology. As blockchain networks grow, they become more complex, often leading to disputes about the best way to evolve. Sometimes, forks are also driven by developers wanting to innovate, fix bugs, or even create entirely new projects. In some cases, forks can be seen as a way to redistribute wealth among users, giving them a stake in the new chain. Let's not forget the potential risks associated with forks. They can create confusion among users, lead to market volatility, and even result in security vulnerabilities. When a fork occurs, it can split the community and dilute the value of the original cryptocurrency. Essentially, it's like dividing a pie. If you split it into too many pieces, each piece becomes smaller and potentially less valuable. But forks aren't all bad. They can foster innovation and allow communities to experiment with new features or governance models. For example, Ethereum experienced a significant fork in 2016 after a major hack. The Ethereum community voted to create Ethereum Classic, preserving the original blockchain while creating a new version that reversed the hack. This decision showcased the community's ability to respond to challenges and adapt to change. In the rapidly evolving world of blockchain, forks are inevitable. They reflect the dynamic nature of technology and the communities that support it. The next time you hear about a blockchain fork, remember it's more than just a split. It's a clash of ideas, a struggle for direction, and an opportunity for growth. Blockchain forks remind us that in the digital realm, change is the only constant. Embrace it, and who knows what new possibilities it might bring.